Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. I am going to talk about my BABA reversal today and kind of my criteria for shorting a strong stock. So as you can see, BABA was very strong this morning. It had gapped up on a catalyst and it was extended from the VWAP. I really like to see that. And then you see an important daily level here. I had two marked, I believe, and it pushed up through this first one. And right when it touched this second one right here, a lot of volume came in, which you have right here. This was the first attempt. The second one, another large volume spike, and it couldn't quite make it past that level. And here you have a double top, and then the 9 and the 20 moving averages are curling down and crossing over, and you have this 50 coming up to meet it. All while you also have an indecision candle right here on the 5-minute chart. Here's a really nice shooting star doji with a very large wick to the top side, barely touching that daily average or that daily level. You have new lows happening on the 5-minute, and one of my main criterias for shorting a strong stock is to see this 15-minute candle right here. It is a doji, and then it made a new low. And as you can see right here, it has not made a new 15-minute low for a while. It's extended. You have the double top on the 1-minute with the moving averages crossing over and curling down, and it lost these moving averages. So what I did was I had a hard stop right here, and my mental stop was if it pushed up through these moving averages again, I was going to stop out. So then I took partials on the way down at either previous morning resistance levels or moving averages on the 1 and 5-minute chart. And as you can see here, it never quite made it to the VWAP, which was my ultimate target for the remaining shares that I had here that came up and stopped me out. And as you can see right here, it's happening again the same exact way. Right here, you have the 15-minute doji and a new low. You could have taken it short here. You also have, this is more of a head and shoulders, I feel, on the 1-minute. And once again, it's trying to push up through this 244.75 level, which obviously is a very important level for BABA today. You could have taken it another reversal here short when it made a new 15-minute low. Now, just because you see a 15-minute doji and a new low does not mean jump into it short. I like to see all 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute charts giving me a reversal signal with volume and the candlestick patterns with the move along with the moving averages. As you can see right here, it happened again. You have the 9 and the 20 curling over and the 50 coming up to meet it, and it never could push up back up through these moving averages on this second attempt. But that is it. That is my BABA trade for today. I did trade Apple earlier, and I'll show you that right now. Earlier this morning, I took it as an opening range breakdown. Right here, you can see that it sold off really hard at the open, consolidated around the VWAP. And once it started breaking down through these moving averages and losing the VWAP, I went short. I took a small partial of 25% and then doubled my position when I saw that it was really losing the 15-minute level. Or making a new 15-minute low. I added to my position, partialed on the way down. Then I flipped my position because I saw that it was making a double bottom. and it almost started looking like a Head and Shoulders right here on the 5-minute chart. So as soon as it made a new 5-minute high, I went long, took a few partials up through the VWAP, and then it came back down and stopped me out at break even. And then on the 15-minute chart, you have another one of these Hammer Doji's new 5-minute high. I took it long and took a couple partials and then got stopped out at break even before it made a really nice move up. I should have re-entered the position because it made a really nice double bottom here on the 5-minute chart that looked like it was really about to turn around again, but I did not. I just took a couple partials and then stopped out at break even. But those are my trades for the day. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Oh, and please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us out at BBT. And thanks again for watching. Bye.